What's up, guys? Now, today I have come up a new tutorial only for you. In this tutorial, you will be able to learn a text effect. Now, let's get started. Click on the Corel Draw and now go to the file and the new and OK. First of all, go to the text tool, click on the text tool and click on the artboard. Now type YouTube. Now click on the pick tool, drag, go to the bold, click on the bold. Now choose the color. After that, go to the contour, drag like this. Now choose the round corner like this. You can manage. After that, choose red color. And now Control Command K. Click on the pick tool. Now select this part and go to the Extrude. Now try it like this. After that, go to the extraction type and click here. Then you can manage like this. Right click on the mouse for a stroke. And now click on the pick tool and Control Command K. Click artboard and then click on the pick tool. Control Z. Now Control Command U. After that, click on the weld. Double click on the color. Choose the color as you wish. After that, OK. Now click this color. Choose the red color as you wish. Now go to the text in this part and choose the white color. You can use in any color. And now select here and drag, holding on left click on the mouse. After that, right click and now go to the S color like this. You can manage like this. OK, that's enough. Now select this object and shift plus face down. After that, click on the text, white text, on the YouTube text. After YouTube text, then go to the extrude. Click on the extrude and now drag. After that, go to the extrusion type. Click here. And now right click for a stroke. After that, you can manage You can round on the mouse circle. Okay, that's fine. Now Control Command K, click on the Fig tool. Now click here, then Control Z. After that, Control Command U, and now go to the Weld. Click on the Weld. Right click in this color, holding on in this color, and drag, leave here. After that, copy fill here. Okay. Now select the full area. Now the stroke color, right click on the stroke color, and now go to the rectangle tool. Click on the rectangle tool and drag like this. Now choose the red color. After that, go to the Pick tool. To next tool. Go to the Shape tool. Click on the Shape tool, and now like this, holding on any corner and drag inside like this. After that, click on the Pick tool. Now you can manage. That's fine. Now go to the Extrude tool and drag. After that, click extrusion type. Click in here. You can manage like this. After that, Control Command K. Now click here. Right click on this color. Holding on right click on the mouse of this color, and leave here. After that, copy file in here. Now left click on the mouse, holding on the mouse and drag. Then right click on the mouse, choose the S color, and now you can manage like this. After that, go to the polygon tool, click on the polygon tool and drag, holding on control paste for the polygon, and now three corner. After that, click on the Pick tool, and now click under this object, in the object, and control press, then round to the manage of the object. Now go to the color. After that, click on the extrude and drag like this. After that, go to the extension type, and now click here. Control Command K. Click on the Pick tool. Click artboard. Now click on the Pick object and drag. Click on this object. Delete on the keyboard. Now click the object. Control Command K. Right click on the object, ungroup of the object. Now shift press, holding on shift press, Now go to the weld. After that, select white color. Afterward, right click on this color, holding on this color on the mouse and drag, leave here. After that, copy fill here. Now select the object, Ctrl G for group. Now you can manage, press shift and drag like this. Okay, now shift press and click here, C on the keyboard. Now ready the object, Ctrl Command G for group and select on the object, right click on the non color for the stroke, C. Ctrl G, choose the white color, double click on this color and now choose the color. After that, OK, shift plus place down and now ready this text. OK, wow, thanks for guys, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comments. Bye bye.